This is one half of the hot form tea. After welding this half with another half, we get one large dia pressed and welded hot formed wrought tea like this. So you can imagine how one large dia 48-inch carbon steel welded wrought tea is made, which conforms to ASTM A234 grade WPBW as material standard and ASME B16.9 as dimensional standard. But few clever vendors are there who will supply this type of branch welded tea. Although we have specified the tea as per ASTM A234 grade WPBW and dimensions as per ASME B16.9. Now let us see what ASME B16.9 says. As per clause number 1.3 of ASME B16.9, fabricated laterals and other fittings employing circumferential or intersection welds are considered pipe fabrication and not covered within the scope of this standard. Since this branch welding is circumferential welding, so it is not a wrought tea. It is just a pipe fabrication. This branch welding can be done at site also, and we can save these two weld joints. This type of branch is very weak and will have huge stress concentration and may fail also. Sometimes few vendors supply branch welded teas after doing branch welding so smoothly that it is very difficult to identify that branch welding is there. That means vendor is cheating us. Instead of supplying a wrought tea, they supply this type of branch welded tea. So we have to be very careful while purchasing large diameter welded wrought tea as per ASTM A234 grade WPBW. Better we should specifically mention that branch welded teas are not acceptable.